What is going on, y'all? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, is you can tell I'm doing something to the front end. What I'm actually doing is switching out the lighting on everything except for the turn signals, which I already did a while back. The headlights, I'm removing the tint from the headlights. I started on this one already. It peels off really easily. I thought I was going to peel off the clear coat, but it's not really old, so it's coming off pretty easily. Nothing's going on with it. Something I already put on were these smoke turn signals for the front. And what we're going to be installing today are these LED fog lights from Morimoto. They're 5500K, so it's a white beam. I already tested them out. They look great, so you guys get to see them after they're installed. It's a super simple install. If you guys don't have the knowledge to do it, the way to do it is, you remove your bumper. If you don't know how to remove that, there's a bolt right here on this side by the headlight, another bolt over here, and then I believe two right here. I've done this so many times, I just do it. And then there's two nuts right here. You can tell. But yeah, they're just right there. You just remove that, and then basically this will just all come off. Before you take it completely off, though, just make sure you disconnect all the lights, these ones, and then you can just pull it off. For this, as you can tell right here, there's only these 3 screws. You actually just go in through here, so you just line them up. You basically just push it in. There's plastic tabs that go over the screws. These didn't come with them, so what you have to do is you take them off of the OEM ones. It's just this. It's just so it locks in place. You'll just put it over it. It'll just snap on. It's easier with 2 hands. And then you'll just put it in there. Basically, after you do that, the top 2 snap on here. This one's already in place. And then you just tighten it. And then that's what holds everything all together. After that, it literally just connects to this one right there, and then you're all done. And then you just put it all back together. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm not going to record myself doing everything just because I basically explained how to do it. Alright, y'all. So the fog lights are on. Looks super clean. I ended up taking the tint completely off the front. I think it looks a lot nicer now with these on. The only thing else I have planned for today is the rear upper control arm on this car is squeaking. I'm just going to try to put some lubricant on it. Silicone lubricant is the best thing for like rubber. So I'm going to do that right now. Hopefully that fixes it. If not, I'm going to have to either buy a new control arm or just the bushing, probably a polyethylene. I think I'm saying that right. And I don't know. I'm just trying to solve that problem because I hate hearing the squeakiness every single time that it like bumps up on the rear end. Alright, so I finished lubing up all of the bushings. I did every single one here on the rear end. The front was popping a little bit, added some, and then now it seems to be fine now. The car doesn't seem to be making any more noises, so hopefully everything is good. That way I don't have to replace any of the bushings. They didn't look worn or anything, so we'll see. If I ended up having to replace them, then I'll go ahead and do it. Don't mind the dirty car, super filthy, but I'll be cleaning her up soon. Right now I need to go get gas, and I also want to show you guys how the new fog lights look how they look at night, because right now you can't really tell how they look, but from the pictures I saw at night they look really nice. So I'll show you guys them in a bit. 1 sec. Just gonna leave it right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it just so you guys can see the fog lights.
Honestly, they're super bright. This is the first time I see them at night. I did not expect them. Look, this is how bright they are without the headlights, as you can tell. So,
Might be hard to see the actual beam. Kind of triangular almost. And then
that's how it ends up looking outside. That's actually really bright. So, let me show the difference of it with the headlights. And then this is without the fog lights. So it's a huge difference, actually. Way bigger difference than I thought it was going to be.
I think this was a good investment. One thing I didn't really talk about in the past was I had a lot of visibility issues with this car, just because the previous owner had a HID kit for everything, for the headlights and for the fog lights. So they would tend to go out from time to time. I decided that a good fix for the fog lights at least would be to get the more normal ones that I have installed now. I personally think they were really good modifications of the car because it's actually functional, and on top of that it looks really good. My plan now is, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but right here, this is a 5500 K light, and that's the 4100K. So the color's a little different. It's really noticeable in person, maybe not as much on camera. But my plan now is to get a matching bulb for these. It's just that since I was kind of on a time crunch to get, working lights for the car, what I decided to do was just to buy whatever bulbs I could. These I ended up getting at AutoZone, but for now they work. That was the point of getting them, and now I just need to get the other bulbs. So now basically everything is custom light-wise except for the headlights, because the side markers are custom, tail lights, third tail light, the turn signals, the smoke, and then now the fog lights. So eventually what I would like to do, I would like to get, I think it's the RGB headlights. I would kind of want to do something kind of retrofit headlight style on this car. But we'll see if that happens in the future. But for now, I just want to get different bulbs. I might go with, what is it? Diode Dynamics. I don't remember exactly what it is, but I might go with them. I see that they have some nice kits that work with the factory harnesses, which is what I'm looking for. I don't know what to do with another HID kit because I had it on my previous car, had on this car, and I don't really like it. I've had a lot of issues with them in the past, and even now with this one. So that's basically gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to do, something short, something simple with the car. But that's basically it. So now that it's good, I'll be able to do some more videos at night, which is why I've been holding off on it, because of just the lighting. I would say I only have like one working headlight or one working fog light, and it wasn't really safe or legal. But now that it's good, we're good for more night videos. So if you guys like the fog lights and are considering getting them, I highly recommend them. I'll put the link to where I purchased them from. I didn't purchase them from American Muscle. I actually got them on Amazon. Amazon has them for cheaper. So, and they come with the same warranty. So if you want to get these for cheaper than American Muscle,
I'll drop the link in the description, and you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.